Assalamu alaikum. For sale apartment, 4 bedroom, 200 square meter, 3 bathroom. This is entrance. This is living room. Living room is white. Full sea view in compound 4+1. Located başsiskele, yuvacık, Turkey. Selim tanış video. There is white balcony in compound and full sea view. Seaside, swimming pool, basketball area and child park. The entrance, the first floor has bathroom. This is bathroom side. This is kitchen. Kitchen is white. Also here there is boiler. Also there is another balcony here. You can close it. First floor bedroom. 200 square meter. Full sea view for sale apartment. Floor. The right side there is bathroom. Common for general usage, and this is another bedroom. This is another bedroom. Also there is terrace. I will go terrace. This is master room. The left side there is bathroom, sink, wet closet and shower box. This is master room area. Now there is maintenance. Also master room has balcony, sea view balcony. There is very wide terrace. Also you can close same like this apartment. The terrace is very wide. The plan is U. Okay, U plan. From here to here, your terrace, and the view is perfect. Good location. Sea view. Okay, sea view like this. This project is very far away. It will not close your view. Okay, this is for a municipality garden area. Okay, for more information you can contact with me.